Do you know how many alphabets are in English? What is letter and how many types of letter are in English? What is vowel and consonants? For the answers of these questions, see this video until the end. Welcome to my channel. My name is Musfirah. If you want to learn English in a simple way, then make sure to watch this video until the end. Let's get started. Alphabet. A set of letters or symbols in a fixed order used to represent the basic set of speech sounds of a language, especially the set of letters from A to Z. English alphabet consists of 26 letters. Letters. Letters are written or printed symbols which represent particular sounds in a language. Types of letters. Capital letters. The uppercase letters of the alphabet are called capital letters. Small letters. The lowercase letters of the alphabet are called small letters. Example: Musfirah. In this name, M is capital letter and other letters are small. Vowels. These letters are pronounced without contact of the tongue, teeth, or lips. 5 letters A, E, I, O, U are called vowels. Consonants. Non-vowel letters are called consonants. Can you tell how many letters are consonant out of 26? If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more easy English lessons, and comment below with any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next.